Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick settings to open them. Here at the first place we have watermark option, so let's tap to it, and now as you can see we get access to 3 types of watermarks. Now let me focus on the second one, device. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to camera to take a photo now to see it at the real picture. And now let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it here. So we have Poco M3 Pro 5G watermark. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to camera, right corner, options, left settings, tap to watermark and turn it off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.